Lakan, pag sinabing Lakan, ibig sabihin nun hari. So he's the leader of the country, leader of, is well-loved by the people. Well, not all the people. Alam mo naman, sa kahit anong bansa, may mga hindi may iwasan yung may kokontra. Meron naman silang rason kung bakit kumukontra. At yun naman pinagtutuunan din natin ng pansin.
Ang The Kingdom po ay tungkol sa what could have been sa Pilipinas kapag hindi tayo ever na-colonize. So, sa paggawa niyo po ng pelikulang The Kingdom, ano yung what could have been nyo sana?
Sabi nga ng aming direktor, ito ay isang alternative reality. Ibang isang malaking what if. What if nga hindi tayo na colonize ng ibang bansa? What if at talagang andyan na yung kaaway gata.
Magdidikit po kayo ng kaaway nyo. Gusto niyo po
Hindi naman, hindi kami magkaaway. Magkaiba lang ang aming mga pananaw.
And yun na po, no, i-welcome na rin po natin si Papa P dahil nabalitaan ko pong 5 minuto lang yung oras natin. Sorry, Papa P here. Thank you. Joining us on set. Sulo? Sulo po ba? Sulo. Papa P, hello. Dito po kayo. Dito na ako. Lilipat na ako. And at this point, malapit. Sorry, dito na po. Ayan.
Nakahinga.
Pero hindi po yan si Sulo.
Ito, this is as my character.
Wow. And kanina po, kumbaga sinabi nga, no, parang you're coming from different worlds in the kingdom. And Lakan, si Bossing. Si Sulo ay?
Isang itinatwa. He's an outcast of the society because of his family background. So, wala siya dun sa world sa kingdom nila. He's, somewhere else.
How do you feel in your costume?
Especially as an actor, it's easier to get into character, especially pag naka-costume ka. Ang ganda lang niya laruin kasi they also had to make me look dark. And sobrang hirap ng character because there were a lot of physical requirements. And also, medyo malalim yung pinaguhugutan niya.
And speaking of malalim yung pinagugutan, kanina nga tinanong ko si Bossing, no? Kasi dahil isa nga daw itong alternate reality sana ng Pilipinas. And what could have been?
Right.
Para sa'yo naman, after making the film, ano sana yung what if or what could have been ng Pilipinas kung hindi nga tayo nasako?
Exactly, di ba?
Oh, I mean, di ba? Ano
That's why they
nakita
have
mo?
to watch it because for them to realize that, as much as family is the main unit of our society, we have to realize that we have to love our nation. Na para matigil yung corruption because pag makikita mo yung pelikula, mapapanood mo siya if you just listen to the lines na magkakaroon ka ng self-realization kung ano ba yung tamang government, kung ano ba yung tamang sistema ng gobyerno. So magandang magkaroon tayo ng option.
But of course, after watching the film, kanya-kanyang konsepto yan. Kanya-kanyang sagot doon sa tanong namin na what if. Some people would say, uy, oo nga no, dapat ganun.
Dapat ganun na lang.
Pero I'm sure some people would say, mas okay to or something. So to each his own. So you really have to watch the film because it's very interesting. The concept is very interesting, very intriguing. And aside from that, there's family matters. And there's heart matters.
So may heart pa rin po pala. But
Of course.
Pero ang pinaka ma-appreciate mo dito for the first time you'd see sa isang pelikula na magdrama ang isang Big Soto.
actually, yun nga po eh. Yun nga. How was it? Kasi lagi namin tinatanong si Papa P, kamusta si Bossing? Kamusta kayo sa set? Diba na ito drama? How was it working with We have to hear it from you, Bossing.
Mahirap. Ngayon ko
Mahirap
na-
di
Hindi
magpatawa?
siya pwedeng mag-break ng character.
I just realized na yung mga ginagawa ni Piolo, hindi biro. You really have to be serious about your craft, about your work. Hindi pwede yung...
Punta ka na lang, okay na.
Punta ka na sa shooting, okay na. Shoot kayo, take, okay, go. Pack up. No, it's a lot more than that. It's a lot deeper than that. Yun ang na-realize ko.
I believe my time is up, but of course, my wrap question for you, Bossing Vic, no? What made you do drama and not comedy this year?
To
Kasi yun ang tanong ng fans, di ba? Yun yung, di ba in-expect nila agad yun, Papa P? Magko-comedy pa si Papa P with, Bossing?
Para sa akin, iba naman. You know, I've been doing comedy, family-oriented movies, and all that stuff for so many years now. It's about time to try a different genre. And I think this is a very good concept na hindi ko matanggihan dahil una sa lahat, magkasama kami ni Piolo. And my next dream movie would be doing a comedy with Piolo.
Oh! Yan na!
Yun naman ang mahirap sa akin, boss. Patay.
Pahirapan tayo, pinahirapan mo ako ngayon.
Nilabutan ako dun.
Thank you so much po. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Papa-picture ko lang. Thank you. May lubog ba?
Saka, upo ko ba?
Tayo na lang po. Kaya pa natin. Congratulations. But you all look regal.
Alright.
Gusto ko lang malaman, Sid, ano yan? Talagang custom-made ba yan?
Yes.
Dati. Ngayon, pinipilit na lang.
What do you mean? Sorry. What do you mean?
Fit pa rin.
Kunyari fit pa rin. Hirap lang huminga. Pinahinga nila yan. I'm here to.
Pero yun si Magat Bagwis, tama? Pero
This is his. This is really for me. Akin talaga to.
you're always smiley, pero hindi smiley si Magat Bagwis.
No, sometimes, private, hindi kasama sa
Pag
story.
kami lang.
Kapag kayo. But how are you guys as yung mga ang royalty ng The Kingdom? Ikaw si Dayang
Matimyas.
Matimyas. Pure and ano yung translation ulit ni Luwalhati?
Luwalhati.
Luwalhati, hindi ba light?
Light. Oo, I love it. So how are you guys as siblings?
I just met her. Like right now. First time
I
namin
was
magkita.
there.
No, wala kayong eksena?
Nag-hi naman ako, pero.
Wala kayong eksena?
Hindi, meron.
Okay.
Meron ba?
Yung dynamics.
Rawa sa okay, fine. Alam mo, 5 minutes lang tayo daw.
Ay, sorry.
Okay.
Okay.
Ayan na, totoo na to. Ayan. But really, how was it on set? Kasi sinasabi nga nila, this is a Philippines that could have been. 'Di ba? So after doing the film, ano yung what could have been nyo sa Pilipinas?
Prinsesa pala ako dapat. Kasi naman pumasok-pasok yung mga Japanese. American.
Oo.
Muntik na ako maging dayang. Kayo kasi natuloy. Ngayon dito sa pelikula natuloy.
Sobrang garbo ba ng isang dayang?
As in, talagang prinsesa talaga. So how you see it in Disney movies, that's how you're gonna really see, pero Filipino characters. That's why also maganda rin panoorin.
Siya yung prinsesang yung puro laro.
Oo.
Ako yung seryoso. Ikaw, ano ba, Sid?
So, di pinag-uusapan trabaho ko eh. Kunyari politika.
Pero hindi, what's your what could have been sa Pilipinas
Me?
after making this film?
I never thought about it because anything changes. I'm not me anymore. My religion might not even be the same. Might not even be circumcised.
Pag naging ano ba yan?
Balita
Okay.
yan.
Cut. Charot. Oo, cut. Hindi, pero ikaw, ano yung yung musings mo after, playing this character?
Na the world that we see isn't the only world that exists. So parang yung nakikita natin, yun na yung mga gusto natin makita. But aside from that, behind that, above it, below it, ang dami pang ibang nangyayari sa mundo. So we have to be really open to accepting different cultures. Ayun, siguro, yeah, that's all I can say.
Would you say ibang-iba ba? Like, because it's really the tabula rasa kung hindi tayo sinakop, diba, what you guys portrayed. Would you really say ibang-iba siya to what we are now?
Ibang-iba in a different way because there's a king, kumbaga sa atin may presidente. Sa amin, king. Pero, syempre pag king, parang lineage and bloodline na yan ng yung mismong
Hierarchy.
Diba? So, I don't know. But for me, it's something na parang if you think about it, parang, oh nga no, it's nice if we're a monarchy or something like, the kingdom. Hindi ko, ang hirap explain, pero malalaman nyo kapag napanood nyo na yung pelikula namin kung gaano kaganda at kakaibang Pilipinas ang makikita nyo dito.
Oh, that could have really been.
Could have, yes.
And with a... So, ba't yung pinaka-seryoso kay Sid ko pa natanong eh. Yung ano nga, because syempre with the political climate that we have right now, so why is this a perfect film to watch this Christmas?
Like I mentioned kanina, it's a really good way to have the people start thinking outside the box, that we don't really have to be stuck with what we already have, whether it's television or our government or our policies. You know, we can we can reach out other countries, get influenced, everything like that. Usually it's just the thinkers who think of these things. And then maybe this might spark something in the people who just like to watch.
Oh my gosh, may pang Miss Universe na
Tama
sagot.
ka pala ng tinanong.
Oo, tama.
Tinanong mo, plus mali.
Maganda. May bala pala. Thank you.
At ang hinirang tagapamahala ng mga biyaya ni Bathala, binasbasan ng kalangitan upang ginhaway matamasa ng mamamayan. Ang ama ng mga malaya, Lakan Makisig